Hello kiddos! Today I'm going to draw a yellow flower. So let's draw together. First, I'm going to start with the petals. Flowers always need petals because if there's no petal, how can we know that if it's a flower or not? Like that. Now we'll color it. But first check if there's any small petals. Now you could color it. Then use another different color and draw like this. You know bees, right? So bees collect nectar from the flowers. This is the nectar. Now use green. To draw the branch. Now draw the leaf. Drawing the leaf is very easy. You just have to draw a little circle here and then go down like this. Draw a smaller leaf here. Next, use a different type of color, light pink you could say. Now draw a little lines like this. Next I'm going to draw the grass. Drawing the grass is very easy. Use green and draw some lines like these. So, my yellow flower is done. So, bye kiddos, this is all for today. See you next time in my next video. Bye!